The digital gold rush, billions up for grabs. You want to make serious money? Like life-changing money? Then listen up. The digital world is a gold mine, with billions of dollars spent online every single day. That's right, billions. Your piece of the pie is waiting. You just need to know how to grab it. Forget outdated business models. Forget grinding away at a 9-to-5 you hate. The future is online. And I'm here to tell you, it's never been easier to build a brand, reach millions of customers, and make a fortune. But you gotta be smart, you gotta hustle. And you gotta have a plan. That's where I come in. I've spent years cracking the code to digital success. I've built businesses from the ground up. And now, I'm sharing my secrets with you. No fluff, no BS, just pure, actionable strategies that get results. Are you ready to join the digital gold rush? Are you ready to claim your share of the billions up for grabs? Then let's dive in. My $500K blueprint, your ticket to online riches. I'm about to hand you the keys to the kingdom. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is a proven blueprint, a roadmap to transforming a small investment into a massive $500,000 payday. And the best part, it's all through the power of digital marketing. This blueprint is the culmination of years of experience, countless experiments, and millions of dollars in lessons learned. It's a step-by-step system, designed to take you from where you are now to where you want to be, crushing it online and raking in the cash. We're talking about mastering the art of SEO so your website dominates the search results. We're talking about crafting laser-focused social media ads that convert like crazy. And we're talking about leveraging the power of influencers to put your brand in front of millions. This isn't just theory. This is real-world, battle-tested stuff that I've used to build my own empire. And now it's yours for the taking. Navigating the digital jungle, challenges, and solutions. Now let's be real for a minute. The digital world can be a jungle. It's competitive, algorithms change constantly, and it's easy to get lost in the noise. But don't worry, I've got your back. The key to conquering this jungle is simple adaptation. You gotta be agile. You gotta be willing to learn and adjust your strategies on the fly. The good news is, with my blueprint, you'll have all the tools you need to stay ahead of the curve. We'll dive deep into the ever-changing landscape of SEO, showing you how to optimize your content, build backlinks like a boss, and claim your rightful place at the top of the rankings. We'll break down the secrets of social media advertising, teaching you how to target the right audience, craft compelling copy, and track your results like a pro. And we'll explore the exciting world of influencer marketing, showing you how to identify the perfect partners, negotiate win-win deals, and leverage their massive followings to skyrocket your brand awareness and sales. With this blueprint, you'll be equipped to navigate any challenge the digital jungle throws your way. Blueprint breakdown: SEO, ads, and influencers. Let's break down the 3 pillars of my $500K blueprint: SEO, social media ads, and influencer partnerships. These are the engines that will drive your online success. First up, SEO, or search engine optimization. It's all about making sure your website is visible when people search for products or services like yours. We'll focus on creating killer content that ranks high in search results, driving organic traffic to your site 24/7. Next, we've got social media ads. These are your secret weapon for laser targeting your ideal customer. We'll show you how to craft ads that grab attention, spark interest, and convert viewers into paying customers. Finally, we'll unleash the power of influencer marketing. Imagine having hundreds of thousands, even millions of people hearing about your brand from sources they trust. We'll teach you how to find the right influencers for your niche, build relationships, and create campaigns that generate massive buzz and drive sales through the roof. Case study: from zero to hero with the blueprint. Don't just take my word for it. Let me tell you about one of my students, Sarah. Sarah had a small online store selling handmade jewelry. She was passionate about her craft, but struggling to get her brand noticed. Sound familiar? Then Sarah discovered my $500K blueprint. She took action, implementing the strategies step by step. She optimized her website for SEO, started running targeted Facebook and Instagram ads, and partnered with micro-influencers in the fashion and lifestyle space. The results? Explosive growth. Her website traffic skyrocketed, her social media following exploded, and most importantly, her sales went through the roof. Within a year, Sarah had transformed her small business into a thriving 6-figure empire, all thanks to the power of the blueprint. Unlock your ROI, take action, and share your story. This is it. This is your moment. You have the blueprint to unlock $500K in digital marketing success. But here's the catch. It only works if you do. Knowledge is useless without action. Take that first step. Commit to mastering these strategies. Put in the work, and watch as your online presence explodes and your bank account follows suit. The potential ROI here is massive. We're not talking about a few extra bucks. We're talking about life-changing wealth. And when you start seeing success, don't keep it to yourself. Pay it forward. Share your story. Inspire others to take control of their financial destinies. Because together we can create a world where everyone has the opportunity to achieve their dreams. Now go out there and crush it.